Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can copy and use paste special in MS Excel. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, open your template, Excel template. I have already a table here, and if we want to copy it, we can first highlight it and copy and place the cursor here and simply paste. Now you can see it copies all the formatting, and whatever it is, it copies and pastes here as it is. But if you want to paste only the values, you don't want to formatting, you don't want to these rupees symbol, etc. What you have to do, first select the table and use copy. Now you have to first put the cursor here and then paste the values. Here you can see only the values have been copied. You can see the formatting is not copied here. We have only values. This is how you can copy and paste the values only. But if you want to now copy only formatting, first select the table again and copy and put the cursor here and paste. Use this formatting. Only the formatting is now copied. The values here is as it is. The values have not been copied. The values have not been copied. We have only here formatting of the table. Now if you want to add using paste special, what you have to do is to first, for example, if you want to add this column with this column and the result you want to have in this column, what you have to do, first select this column and use copy and put the cursor here so that these values will be added to this. It can add both of these and the result will be shown in this column. Put the cursor here and click here paste special and use this add and click OK. Now you can see these two values has been added and putting it into this column. This was about the add, how you can add using paste special. Now if you want to convert the rows into columns, for example this I want to copy first and I want to make these columns as rows and these rows as columns. What you have to do is to first copy and then put the cursor here anywhere you want and then use the paste special and then transpose and click OK. Now you can see this was the row here, now it is here column. Now you can also use something you want to copy. For example, if you want Chris and I want to copy it, you can use the dragging system. Just drag and drop and you can see this Chris has been copied to other cells as well. Now if you want to copy the days, for example Sunday, Monday, and you want to copy it, let us see what will happen. It will automatically understand the days and show you the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and so on. Now for example, if you want to copy the data in just one go means, if you want to copy, suppose for example this Chris you want to copy and paste it at the same time in all sheets. What you have to do, first copy the Chris here and select the sheet and use control and use click here and then you can paste. You can see Chris is here and Chris is here in sheet 1 and sheet 2. It has been copied at the same time. This is how you can use these Excel tricks and copy and using paste special. I hope you find this video informative. Please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thanks for watching.